Fuck. You look pretty,
The senses are going. Seeing dark spots. It's hard to breathe.
Wanna help? Tell me how.
What the hell took so long?
Sorry to make you wait.
My head's a cage full of pain.
So, yeah. I talked to Reed.
And?
Stubborn old bastard. Reed.
Poke long enough, you could drill a hole. Anything new? Anything at all?
Bit of lecturing, a few FIA-backed threats thrown in. You know the drill.
Negotiating by the book. That's what everybody at the firm called it.
Wouldn't call what happened negotiating by the book. No. Reed goes for the jugular.
Unrivaled in that, yeah. Let's roll.
Don't look so hot. Think you'll manage?
That'll depend heavily on you. Black Clinic, remember? It's on Luna. Got a flight all lined up to get me there.
Oh. Wanna go with you?
No, V. Impossible. One and only one. It's all they're expecting. And it's just not open to negotiation. In all likelihood, I'll serve as their lab rat once there. AI's within the neural matrix. They're going to extract it. Create a prototype cure for us. I'll contact you. As soon as they're ready for us both. I promise.
Oh, don't love the idea. Smells risky as hell. For us both.
Well, any risk-free options are way out of reach by now. So, spaceflight means spaceport. NCX. It's where we're heading. Now, I can't just stride in. I draw attention from who knows who in my condition. So you'll stride in. Then head to the Tycho terminal. Find a side door to open for me.
What about spaceport security?
Tycho terminal's being renovated. So not many bodies. Lots of cover. Also minimal security, probably. Can't ignore that factor.
Think I can manage. Use the time well. To rest.
I'll try. But let me know if you need me to link up. At the net. All this shit's too much. Damn, V. I've wronged so many. Hurt so many. Can't help wondering if it's even avoidable. You know? Hurting others?
Don't often get the chance to right a wrong. But when you do your damnedest not to fuck up again. Johnny'd have a thing or two to say on that topic. Too bad you two will never talk.
Boots or feet!
Relax.
Read. V.
Yeah?
I don't want to die. Can't help but regret. I just... Help me. Ditch this town.
Meds are kicking in. You're alright.
We shouldn't linger. Grab the wheel. Could you?
Said Tycho Terminal's closed for refurbishment. Sure you can fly out of there in spite?
Got a one-way ticket. From someone who follows their own rules.
You've had shit luck with partners lately.
Till you came along. Working out kinda okay.
Try and rest up.
Steel yourself. We'll be pulling in.
Thinking back to that first contact you made. You've come a long way.
I haven't quite reached its end yet. Obviously, you can't be packing when you go in. Standard spaceport security. Leave your iron with me. I'll have it when we meet up again.
Maybe I mask up. I mean, Reed does know my face.
If I'd tag you by the tech sig as you went through security, it's their gear. They'd finger it anywhere.
So, what's your super spy secret for being invisible, moving on the sly?
Just act normal, like any other passenger. Don't stop and talk, make eye contact, linger or look aimless. You have a terminal and a gate to get to.
Oh, fuck. Flashback coming in hard. Konpeki Plaza heist.
Banish that shit. You're better than you were. Armed or not, you'll manage. So again, Tycho Terminal. Get there unnoticed by anyone who matters. Eyes peeled for orbital air guards especially. We can't know what they'll be watching for.
Join up soon.
Hey, V. Okay, on the ports tonight.
Sir.
Interior clear of bogies. Danik and Cyber.
Over to there. Thanks you for your cooperation and your ready. Welcome to Night City International and Transit, your gateway to the world and the stars. I need to temporarily power down any unauthorized implants, personal link, and the panel, please.
Right, of course.
Be chill. Draw no attention.
Implant power down, complete. For biometric ID authentication, please look at the camera.
Wait! Don't yet! Buy me some time. Need to link your metrics to a fake profile.
Which cam would that be?
That one.
Not sure what you want me to do.
Look at the camera, please. It'll be over in a few seconds.
All set. Go ahead. Do it.
Scan's all good. Orbital Air thanks you for your cooperation and your patience.
Okay, now you need to let me in. Tycho Terminal. Go. And draw absolutely no eyes.
Sheesh, look at these sheep.
Bah, bah.
Friend left a gift for us. It's in a case on the luggage conveyor. Grab it. Sending you the combo.
My 14th flight in 5 days.
Another war's in the air, I'm telling you. Perales will take a stab at annexing Dogtown, and US won't stand.
Hold up better. Water's a good biz. Profits will rain down, buddy.
Terminal's closed for renovations.
You look spent.
This? My 14th flight in 5 days.
Hey, hold on! We know each other, remember? Agony! I'm a regular!
Okay, I'm not a regular.
Huh. Must know you from some club, I'm sure of it.
Doubt it.
What's with these mechs, huh?
The mechs are fine. It's the auto dock lock that's warped.
Motherfucker.
Shut down trigger.
I got FIA agents on the ON. They breached.
Should be.
Detection by orbital security means a brawl, I see.
No chance of detection. Our people are the best. Invisible to me too. I didn't know what to look for.
Our people, huh?
Just hurry the hell up.
fucking needs better tech. That and better techies.
Be spots like this in a crowd. Peeps panic. Carnage virtually guaranteed.
Estimated delay is subject to change.
Tycho Terminal now. Where do I go for that side or back door?
Minor clusterfuck. Forget back inside doors. We need a new plan.
What the hell's up, Song?
I had to skedaddle. Orbital security started sniffing around the van.
God damn it.
Got it. Let's try the roof. Construction site elevator. Find
Roger
it.
that.
Commencing search.
attack on corporate property.
Okay, what? Where now?
Now we get creative.
Need deets.
I managed to reach the roof. Lower bit though. Need your help to climb higher and join you.
Shape you're in. Can't possibly hope to walk a high wire.
It's 120, 30 feet. Doable.
Better look around.
Hostiles engaged! Opening fire!
Use is this. Rain's pouring. Ah, fire hose.
So me, got an idea.
We got company.
Can't hang here. Let's go.
He has no right to leave! Come on already.
You all right there?
Catch, Song. Let me know when you're ready.
Got it!
Grip it tight. Just a little more. Fuck, no. Gotcha. You're here.
Too fucking close. Next time? Just shouldn't be a next time. Not like this. V? V, what's with you?
You know, barely clinging on to life. Both of us.
I'm sorry.
Stop it. It'll be over soon. Thanks in no small part to you.
Your weapons.
No gun, no fun.
Hold up.
What is it?
Catching a radio sig. Shit. Encrypted channel.
Can you breach? Listen in?
Giving it a shot. Need to move on quietly, V. Another fuck up and we're done for.
Hey, did what I could.
Have to try harder. Sly and smooth. This way. Oh shit. SIGs. An NUS comms frequency.
Myers?
Incoming. In 45 secs. No more. In here. Quick.
What's going on? What are they up to?
Or assault choppers incoming. Mass transponder SIGs. Don't want to reveal their NUSA. Fuck. She's on board. They're gonna land. Get it open.
Somi, get inside!
Got control of the van. Grab one of the blades. I'll squeeze through.
NUS combat choppers buzzing the free city of NC. Shit's heating up.
NCX is not technically part of NC. Exterritorial. Neutral zone. This is Myers basically blowing off international law and agreements. Got a light ahead. Security. Hold up a sec. Okay, moved on. Alert now. Eyes and ears. Shit.
Madam President,
Special Agent Reed.
we've confirmed V's presence here at NCX.
FIA must have been on you since you went through security.
And so me?
Move. Go. They're gonna spot us.
Probably too weak to get around on her own. Most likely she's waiting somewhere.
Most likely just doesn't cut it. Does Orbital Air know the stakes?
They triggered the alarm but failed to find V.
And our agents?
Cover's been blown on a handful. OA won't get a word out of them. I guarantee it. Those still undercover are looking for Songbird.
We'll talk about operational errors later. Asking for help never was your strong suit. So I decided for you and brought support.
I have everything under control.
No, Saul. You lost control way back. It's time you acknowledge that.
Oh, Rosalind Myers. Her true face. Fuck the one on her billboards.
I know you care about the girl. Like her. You recruited her, trained her. I get that you want to protect her. But your duty, first and foremost, is to your country.
Songbird made her choice. Now she needs to learn what the consequences are.
There's one more thing, Saul. The project she was part of stays well under wraps. None of it leaks.
This is bad. Really bad.
If our little bird lands in the wrong hands, I don't want to think what will happen.
All that. We're the only ones privy.
It would destroy the NUS. It's not a risk I'm willing to take.
We're on the same page. No risks. That's how it'll be.
Do you hear that?
Just so you know, this isn't any easier for me, Reed. I liked the girl, trusted her. But with some choices, there's no way back.
Choices? Yours or hers?
Say again?
You heard me. But no matter. I know what I have to do, and I'll do it.
I authorize you to take any and all necessary action. Just try not to shoot her in the head.
I'd have expected as much.
What are our orders, sir?
You heard her.
Yes, sir.
We are fucked. Every which way possible.
Relax. I'm here and staying. They're not getting you.
You don't know her. I mean, to satisfy her lust for revenge, she'd pull me out of hell. Let's ghost. Civilians are being evacuated.
Prepping to blow in here with all they got.
Okay. Back to the terminal now.
Need to delta through fast, before all hell breaks loose.
Train right to the launch pad. That's all. Just need to blast to the Tycho terminal first. Myers assault team. Shit show's starting. NUSA versus Orbital Air. The fuckers bleed each other out. Don't get killed. Heads up!
Hair's breadth, that. Doubt they spotted us.
V, if that chopper gets a lock on us, we'll be as good as dead.
Do our damnedest to avoid it, then.
No peeps. Take point.
Are we good?
All clear!
Oh, it's spinning. Hang for a sec.
Could take a look at your chrome.
Is that even safe?
Most of your sub-assemblies, I'm familiar. Could run auto-diagnostics, grant you access to your BIOS.
Got a readout. I can overclock the compensators. Hope they can take it. It was gonna be different, all this. Smoother. But the goal's what counts, right? Not far off.
One thing you forgot to tell me. Who got you this flight?
Funny thing is, I don't know. Proxy showed up. A corpo everyman for the ages. Expensive, understated suit, dark hair, blue eyes. He asked me questions. The kind only I know the answers to.
Blockwall. That the issue?
And other things. Rather not talk about it. Just don't judge me, okay?
Ever tell you I think troubles just gravitate your way? Like stink to a monkey, I swear.
Hidden talent, I say. Let's get our shit together. Come on. Help me out, can you?
Looking a little better.
You mean that?